Did you know that your perspective dictates your perception? What does that mean? You only get to see what you know. There's a saying that says, if you change the way you view things, the things you view will start to change. So we could look at the same thing or the same scenario, same situation, and have totally different outcomes because of our perspective of how we see things. I might be always looking for the good in every situation, no matter how tough it is. You might be expecting the bad all the time, and that's what you see. Good people might come into your life, but you're so used to people doing you wrong that you don't even see the good. You're waiting for them to do wrong, so it overlooks the good. Do you see how you miss out on good things? If I'm expecting something bad to happen to me, it's going to happen because I am looking, I am searching, and I am attracting. This is what manifestation is. Your perspective, your perception. That's what it is. If I'm looking for good, even though I'm in a shitty situation, bad area, things is going wrong, but I'm looking for good, at some point, I will find it because that's what I'm looking for. You'll never find what you're not looking for. Keep that in mind.